Nangira kunete mubunge wa MANYATTA Ugambi Mukunji na menete bonene rende kithiaria kongelwa atongeria kana kongelwa atongeria baranende baduri na kura kuma RAIS MWANKA MCA kagita kamiaka elekenda badira baitungata kwa miaka mwanja onto etano rabatungata kaiteneka akeruite kanya kawinyi kabatere kudira kakinia kwa kendo tungata kudira bukili kitakwa na kinya bona witina mbere ya kiariria mantu ige CBC wete mutaratara yonende NIANGARATENIE modomo bonene ne yobatere kudira yuteanila kwa
Ikiathoni kia wejani BWEEGA chukuru ya Precious Bonanza Academy ntere chechuka aramu bunge wa gichigo kia MANYATTA kaunti ya Embu Gitonga Mukunji ameneretie rwaria rurarwirito kiri Senate iseneta wa kaunti ya Nandi Samson Cherargei rurarukwendekithia kwongerwa kwa mianka ira atongoria bagichacha areo RAIS babateri utongoria kuma mianka 5 mwanka mianka 7 Mukunji ariuga ati ruruti rwaria rwega na ati atongoria babu kinya ibabateri kunyithanyithirwe kagita karaba bateri utongoria.
Sasa imefika mahali tena naona ati bunge kunaletwa maneno ya kuongeza term limit. Kwani hizi siasa ndio kila mtu atakula? I believe na mimi nataka kukataana na mtu yote anaongeza term limit ya viongozi. Hata inafaa kushukishwa kidogo ndio watu wajue kujituma ni nini. Si ni kweli? Hiyo motion ikikuja bunge mimi nitakuwa wa kwanza kusema no.
Kagita waku Mukunji ameneretie mutaratara wimbia wa kithomo wa CBC ura akuga nukureta kirigichano rwongini rwa kithomo.
The CBC program iko na sisi, it is a challenge karibu kila mahali kwa sababu kuna maneno ya grade 9 tena secondary inabadilishwa inakuwa only 3 classes. Mimi naomba serikali wafanye review ya implementation ya CBC program ndio tuweze kujua kama we need to continue with it ama hii itafanya watoto wetu wakae vile hawakuwa nafaa kukaa maisha ya hapa mbele.
Mwana ugumu geni wa gitijo kia thoni iki Professor Charles Ong'ondo uranwe murugamiri wa rwongirwa kuthuranira na kurugamira mitaratara ya kithomo KICD na kathiritie mutaratara ujo wa kithomo ikira agwita gukuria muritwa umujuru.
CBC competency based curriculum has identified 7 competencies around which we want to develop the children. That's one of the differences between CBC and what we were calling the 844, because in the 844 we reduced ourselves to only one competency, passing the exam, and we wanted to pass that exam at all costs. Here you can see the awards for number 1, 2, 3 even come last. The important things are what the learners are able to do.
Mutaratara ujo gikathagwa nuntubo kuria mawara mwanya kiri aritwa.
I know when CBC was introduced there were a number of challenges and people hated. Wakasema ai hii system hakuna mahali naenda. Si ni ukweli wazazi and other stakeholders? Most of us thought that hii CBC hakuna mahali naenda, but today we have seen our children are talented. We have seen a lot of talent here.
Murugamiri wa chukuru ino Charles Ndirango akiuragia agikibagi kithomo bairutanirie gukuria kana kamuntu karume karantu wino gakuonekana gutiwa nyuma ikana gakari.
Can we bring up hardy men? It is becoming a matter of concern now that I'm becoming an elder. I need Prof to do this for the young men. We sit down with them, we talk, we walk a journey with them together. We tell them what is required of them in this society, because who will take care of the girl if the man will not be there?
Nkiripotera Weru TV kumachuka mbeta wa Samuel Gaishima.